Hello, friends. Good morning, everyone. There is a big confusion in the students' mind, like OBC taking the certificates. OBC, what is OBC, and what is OBC creamy layer, and what is OBC non-creamy layer, and how we have to make the certificates of OBC, and what are the benefits of OBC certificates. So I thought I should make a small 2-minute video to help the student to understand what OBC is and what it can give you in a long term and what it can give you to your children's and for your grandchildren's. So friends, see, there are two types of certificates which we make. So predominantly for minorities, for Muslim category, there is a certificate called OBC and 2B. So 2B certificate, it is issued by the state government of Karnataka, or from the respective states wherever you are belonging from. And OBC is issued by the central government, which is issued in English, and it is issued for two purposes. So you have to be very specific. If you are going to take central government seats like PG seats, UG seats, or PhD or MPhil seats, you have to make a small amount of a notary from a respected Tahsildar office and produce a transfer certificate, and SSLC mass card you have to produce. And another certificate is that is for central government employment purpose. You have to be very specific. You have to be very sure that you are going to make a certificate for your educational purpose and for the central government quota purpose. This is for OBC. And state government, that is a 2B, that comes income caste certificate. And as per the criteria, you have to mention your income, and your caste is 2B, that is given by the state government. OBC is given by the central government. So be very sure. I got a call from one of my students. She was very confused between OBC and 2B. So I explained her very clearly, and I thought this is the right time to give this message, since we are going to have a PG counseling, NEET counseling is going to happen in very near future. So be prepared. And how to make this certificate, that's very important. So the documents are your 10th mass card, your transfer certificate, okay, and also your mom dad transfer certificate. If you had that also, you can add it in that. Okay, so where we have to make the certificates? So if you are in a small town, wherever the tehsildar office is there, you please go there and make a notary, mention that this is for, if you are going for a job, make for OBC for central government job purpose. If you are going for a educational qualification, make OBC for educational qualifications. Like, you tell them, sir, I am making this notary for educational purpose, or else you tell them this is for my central government job purpose. So these are the two differences. So the fees for this is only 40 rupees or 50 rupees they take. You make a notary, you submit the document, and you give them. They will give you the immediate acknowledgement receipt. So in that receipt, all the details are mentioned. There is a RD number is also there, so that you can produce it to the competent authority wherever you are going to get the seat. That is a procedure basically. So what are the benefits of OBC? See, this is very high time we make all these types of documents, certificates, and keep with us. It's very important, because nowadays we are diluting the importance of OBC. मुसलमाना ना क्या होता, छोड़ो, कोसा की एक सर्टिफिकेट है, रख लेंगे बोल को. See, this is a very wrong perception what you have in your brain. Please take out that first. OBC will give you the long term benefits in the central government seats, in the central government jobs, as well as in the state government seats. It gives you the very long impact. Okay, so it helps you, it helps your children's, it helps your family, it helps your grandchildren's also. Remember this. Okay, so OBC will give you the extension of 3 to 5 years. Suppose if you are going to sit for some government exam, your age limit is 28 or 30, some are in 32. If you are writing UPSC, then that the age limit is 32. If you have OBC certificate, the government of India will give you 3 years of extension after 32, or after 30, or after 28. So this is the benefit of OBC. It's very important certificate. I request everyone to please make OBC certificate right now, today itself. Please share this video to help the people who are in need of this certificate. My name is Dr. Hussein. I am your well wisher. Thank you.